All right, here we are, day 6 of our sourdough journey. So, things are looking good. Still smells pretty soury. You can see that there are some bubbles in here. This is exactly how it's supposed to go. I know that our sourdough journey is gonna take us a little bit more time because it's cold in the house, okay? But we're at like a thick pancake consistency. I think this is how it's supposed to look. I've been reading up on it. So for those who don't know, this is our first sourdough journey. Excited to be on the journey. I'm doing this with my daughter, Berkeley, but never done this before, don't know exactly what to expect. What I have read on the internet is that it takes about 7 days to kind of get the sourdough starter started. Sometimes it can take up to 2 weeks, occasionally up to 3 or 4 weeks. The house is pretty cold, so we'll just have to wait and see. I think it's gonna take us a little bit longer. So what we've been doing is we've been discarding, meaning throwing away the portions that, because we need to get, let me start over. Oops. So we are trying to get starter that is active. In order to do that, you add 50 grams of the starter that we already started with 50 grams of water and 50 grams of flour every single day. So we have been doing that. This stuff that I'm pulling out is called discard. Now, eventually, when the starter is mature, we'll be able to take this discard, this extra stuff that we're pulling out, and make recipes with it. But right now, it's not good. We should not be making anything with this. We're gonna just throw this out. Now, you cannot throw it into the pipes. It will clog up your pipes. So I take it, I put it in here, and then I put it into the trash. We're at 499. I know that my jar weighs 430 grams. We're weighing in grams. And so I want to get down to about 480. So let's see where we're getting. Got to be getting pretty close here. 493. If I take out enough this time, it should be, let's see. Let's see where we're at here. 484, close enough. All right, so we have this discard, and so it's easier to show me here. So this is like super, it's like almost like a Elmer's glue consistency. So what will happen is I'll throw that into the trash can. Okay, I'm gonna tear this out. I need 50 grams of water. 11, 28, 37, 54. All right, now I need to make sure that I add, since I had a little bit extra starter and I had a little bit of extra water, I want to get to 54 grams of flour. So I teared that out. All right, here we are. So that's 11. You can use a bigger scoop. $31, $34, $36, $42, $47, $51, $54. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. So 54. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir this up. All right. So those of you who've been following me for a couple of days now, since we started the starter, know that we're going to call her Bertha. That's what Berkeley chose to call her. So what happens is every single day, right around the same time, so I'm doing this at 5 to 6 o'clock at night, I put in I discard and then put in equal parts of starter, water, and flour, and then I mix it up. So just getting it all mixed up. I'm pretty excited about this. Honestly, we're getting close to hopefully where we can actually have start making recipes. So this is super duper thick. This is like Play-Doh consistency. This is how it's supposed to be. And then it kind of, I guess, like gets a little bit more watery as the 24 hours passes. All right, so I know that in order for the sourdough starter to be active and to be able to be used, we need to get to 3 days in a row where it doubles. and we have not had any doubling yet. So, but we should be getting close. So what I did do is I have two, but I only need one. All right, I have a rubber band. We're gonna put a rubber band around the level where the starter is at. Okay, and then we'll see tomorrow if this increases. So hopefully it will double. So if it starts to double, then we're on the right track. If it doesn't, we're just gonna keep on going. I don't know what we're doing here. You don't know what we're doing. It's all good. We're just gonna keep on going until we get to hopefully where it starts to double. I'm gonna put this lid on, nice and tight, and then I'm gonna unscrew it one. So the house is at 64 degrees. Ideal temperature for the starter is 75. So obviously we're not there. I'm gonna put it into the microwave. When I put it into the microwave, I don't start the microwave. The light's not on. I'm not leaving the door open so that the light stays on. Some people put it into their oven and keep the light on. I am not gonna do that. I heard that there's quite a bit of variability with that. I just put it into the microwave. Nobody's using the microwave. Close the microwave and let it just sit there for the next 24 hours. I'll see you back tomorrow around the same time. We'll do the same thing. Empty out the discard, put in more flour, put in more water. What I'm hoping happens is that tomorrow hoping that we have a little bit more bubbles. I'm hoping that we get some doubling. So hopefully the starter will be up to about here tomorrow. Fingers crossed, because tomorrow will be day 7. Exciting, exciting. All right, thank you.